This might be controversial, but Babala has some of the best products on the market, hands down. The quality of their products is top notch, and if you've never heard about Babala before, they are a website that sells high quality replica products from bags, accessories, shoes, you name it, they have it. And to top that off, I have a coupon code for you guys that can be used on the website on all items. So don't forget to check out the description box for all the details, the link to their website, the details to the specific products, and my coupon code. I'll also have it pinned in the comment section. So go ahead and give yourself a treat. This is not my first product from the website. I've owned several products from their website, and I am amazed by the quality and the craftsmanship each time. They produce top quality products at a fraction of the cost for what the major brands are offering. The quality, again, as you can see for yourself, the stitching is perfection. There's no flaws. The color, the zipper quality is amazing. The packaging is top notch. Like everything about the product, from the unboxing to the product itself, is just mesmerizing. I am absolutely obsessed. And this LV loop bag did not disappoint. Again, the craftsmanship, the quality, the leather details, everything is perfect. It comes in not one but two boxes for storage, a dust bag. You also get the ribbon so you can tie it around the box if you want to give it to someone else for a gift. You get the card, you get a booklet and a note. So you get the booklet with care instructions for the product and so forth. Again, on their website, you can choose from a bunch of different purses, brands, you name it, and also accessories, shoes, boots. There's just so much that they offer, and again, it's only a fraction of the cost. Their prices is the best I've seen on the market, and again, their quality. I love their attention to detail, and I'm not even going to talk no more. Like, you guys can see for yourself. Like, look, just look at how beautiful this is. And I actually love this design because I am obsessed with crossbody bags. I don't really fancy carrying bags on my shoulder and stuff, so but I love the option that you can throw it across your body, or you can carry it over your shoulder, or you can carry it in your hand using the chain. I love that the strap can be extended. Again, great design, amazing quality, and there's just not much more to say because as you can see for yourself, like the product speak for itself. I don't need to say much about it. But again, if you want extra savings and to save yourself some coins, remember to check out my description box and use my coupon code for extra saving. The coupon code is valid for all products on their website. So again, you have tons of options to choose from. If you're not interested in this one, there's plenty more you can choose from. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Love you guys. Bye. Have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. Mwah.